In this video, we'll show you how to set up a modded Minecraft server using CurseForge. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if there's a mod pack you love on CurseForge and you want to turn it into a server, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll install the pack, download the server pack, and run the server from those files. But with this method, you'll be hosting it on your own PC, which means your server is only online while your computer is on. You'll probably need to port forward, and you're also sharing your IP, which can be dangerous. So if you want to skip the port forwarding and be safe, you can use Apex Hosting, which is the sponsor of this video. It gives you one-click mod pack installs, 24/7 uptime, DDoS protection, instant setup, backups, and live chat support. Once you've got your server running, you can open your panel, go to game file, and simply search the exact mod pack and version you're running. There's 25% off your first invoice. The link is down below and in the pinned comment. So the first thing you want to do is open up CurseForge and then download and install the exact mod pack you want to host. You can go to browse and look for the mod pack you want to download. So for example, all the mods 10, which I already have. So I can go to my mod packs, click on it to go to the page, and then here next to the play button, you'll have an option to download the server pack. You can click on it and it will start downloading. You can save it anywhere on your PC. By default, it's going to go to your downloads folder. So once you hit save, it will start downloading. While downloading the server pack, to make this work, you also need Java. So you can go to java.com and here you can click on download Java for desktop and download and install Java on your computer. You can go back and you're going to also download Java development kit. You're going to click on developer downloads, and once you're here, you're going to download JDK 21. Scroll down and select your system. For me, it's Windows, and you're going to download the installer and install it on your PC. After you finish downloading the server file, you'll have it in a zip file. So we need to extract it. You can use 7-zip or WinRAR. So just right click and then select extract all. Hit extract and it will extract everything from the zip file. After you finish extracting, you can open up the folder. Double click on it and you'll have the server files. It might look different for you, but you should have startserver.bat. So what we need to do here is to open up the startserver.bat. So let's go ahead and do that. Right click and hit open. It will open up a terminal to install necessary files. You just have to wait for it to finish, and after it's done installing the server, you need to do one more thing. So you can close this terminal and then look for EULA.txt. Right click on it, open with, and open it up with Notepad. Now what you need to do here is to read the agreement. So you can go ahead and copy this link and paste it on your browser and read the agreement. If you agree with it, you can change this from false to true like this, and that's done. Now you can click on file and hit save. You can close the notepad, and then we're going to open up startserver.bat again. So let's go ahead and open this, and now you can hop back into CurseForge and click play to launch the mod pack. From the main menu, you're going to go to multiplayer, and here in the bottom, click add server, and then you can set your server name. You can put whatever. Below that, for server address, type in localhost to connect to the server running on your own PC, and we're ready to go. Press done and your server is running. Select a server and press join server. Once you're in game and connected to your server, if you want to invite your friends, you need to port forward on your router to your PC's local IP and then share your public IP so they can join. Be careful with this though. Only share your IP with people you trust, because giving it to random people can be risky and expose your home network. If you want it simple, quick, and safe, you can use Apex Hosting to host it for you with one-click CurseForge installs and a public IP ready to share. If you still want to port forward, you can watch our video covering that, and after you do that, you can invite your friends to join your server, and that's it.